Guys, welcome to a quick unboxing. I got this the other day. It's a faucet for the house because when you're a homemaker these days, it's not just about cooking and cleaning and doing the trash, you got to do your own plumbing as well. So what you got in the box is the instruction manual, and I have no idea what this is. We're gonna have to learn, but I'm guessing it is for the pipes, for the little pipes. I guess it would be these ones, pipes or tubes, whatever they call them these days, that will fit through there. And let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the weight that they use to pull on this down, and usually this is what actually causes wear and tear and eventually leakage. Now this is some kind of different material than what I'm used to. The one that I'm replacing had metal bits and rubber bits, so like an exterior metal. So we'll see if that's better than what I had. Anyway, let's take out the rest of this thing if we can. It's a typical faucet. It looks like it's all connected. There's one big part here. So water will come out of this bit here and these buttons here. And the handle. See if we can get it out. There we go. So off the bat, this is plastic. I think in the other one that I had, this part was metal. Oh, wait, am I getting this wrong? Maybe this is still aluminium, from depending on where you are. And this looks a little bit flimsier than what I had, but hopefully it'll be okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.